Good morning students. In last lecture, I already discussed about the simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. We already do the explanation of the simple permanent tissue. First one is the parenchyma, then collenchyma, then sclerenchyma. But in this lecture, I will discuss about the permanent tissue. There are two types, xylem and phloem. You already know about what is the xylem. Xylem and phloem, these are the two permanent tissue, are the vascular tissue of the plant. These are come in the vascular tissue of the plant, student. Yes, called complex permanent tissue. Difference between xylem and phloem, I already told about to you. Xylem and phloem, these are the two pipes or the two vascular tissues which conduct. Xylem conduct water. Xylem conduct water, students. Xylem conduct water. And phloem conduct food. Phloem conduct food. Yes, second point, primarily made up of dead cell. The xylem is made from the dead cell only. But the primarily made up of living cell. Phloem is made from the living cell only, students. Yes. Cell have thick wall. They are all cell have the thick wall is there. But they are all cell have the thin wall is there. Now, conduct water in one direction only. From roots to up only. Unidirectional only. But in case of phloem, it was the bidirectional. From top to bottom, bottom to top, or top to bottom, bidirectionally. Yes, students. Xylem and phloem are generally located in vascular bundles. We have to see this diagram. Xylem and phloem conducted here. See there. Here phloem, here xylem, and this full part is the vascular bundle is there. Vascular bundle. The vascular bundles are arranged in the form of ring. The vascular bundle arranged in the form of ring in dicotyledonous plant. In the dicotyledonous. But in monocot, they are the scattered in the ground tissue. I already explained about the dicotyledon. The seed which have the two part is there. Yes, the seed which have the two part. In 6th class, you already do the structure of the seed is there. Now you see structure of the seed like this only. The between part is the called. That is a cotyledon. That is part is the cotyledon only. Yes. And here you already know, here go the radicle is there. Radicle makes the roots. And up which one go pumule, that from the shoot. Baby plant is there. So in between the part where the food store is there, that is called cotyledon. If they have the two part, that is a dicotyledon. If the one part is there, monocotyledon is there. In monocotyledon, it is scattered in the ground tissue. But in dicotyledon, the vascular bundle are arranged in the form of a ring in a dicotyledon only. Yes, in between xylem and phloem in the vascular bundle is present in thin row, actually dividing the cell is called cambium. This one cell, big one is the phloem, and small cell is there. That is the xylem. And the ring which divided to xylem and phloem is there. That ring is called cambium. And that full one is the group of the xylem, and that is called vascular bundle only. Oval shape. Between the xylem and phloem in the vascular bundle is present in thin row, actively dividing the cell called cambium. This one, the cambium ring is there. And between full part is called pith. Pith. Yes. Its activity leads to increase the girth of the plant, diameter of the plant, stem. You know, firstly the diameter is like this, small. But afterward increasing the diameter and girth. Yes, we have the four type of cells seen in the xylem are. First one is the xylem vessel. Second one is the tracheids. Xylem tracheids are there. And xylem sclerenchyma and xylem parenchyma. Now we see the function one by one. Yes, xylem vessel and tracheids conduct water. Yes, what is the function of xylem vessel and tracheids there? Conduct water. Already told, xylem conduct water. Xylem sclerenchyma fiber provide the support. Yes, Xylem parenchyma store the food. Only living component in the xylem tissue. Other one is a dead. In a tree, xylem become blocked with the age. When age increasing day by day, then that blocked is there. To replace it, the new xylem form toward the outside of the trunk. The xylem form the outside of the trunk. It form is there. A new xylem form is there. Here the new xylem is formed there. So xylem when blocked, new replaced by the new one is there. Now you see next topic, xylem vessels and tracheids. Yes, the cells that are the joined from end to end. The cells are joined from end to end together. Constitute the vessels. That makes the vessel. When cell joins together, that form the vessel. It is inside hollow is there. A hollow and continuous tube. Hollow and continuous tube. This was the tracheid, this was the vessel. Hollow. Inside a hollow is there. See. Continuous only. Is formed when end of the walls of vessels get dissolved. When end to end joins together. Yes, that is formed the vessel. Xylem vessel. Now see the tracheid. In xylem, these are elongated cell, lengthwise elongated cell with a flat tapering end. Their end is the tapering. Flat tapering. Tapering means sharp from the end only. That we call tracheid, and they allow the water to pass from one cell to another with the help of pits on the up. Actually, it was closed only from top also, from bottom also. Then how they are able to absorb or leave the water? With the help of pits. Small holes are there, pits that present in the wall, and these pits are very specific in nature, students. Selective in nature. Only that particle pass from there that their size match with there. If the whole size is small but the particle size big, unable to pass. If the particle size according to the hole, then you are able to pass. Selective in nature. The pit is an area where the thick lignified cell wall. A thick lignified, made up of lignin, carbohydrate. The cell wall has the thin down. From up it become thick, but when they become down, it become thin. The pit is area. Here the thick is there, but in the pit down layer, little layer is there. That is thin only. From up it was thick, from down it was thin only. The pits are seen in sclerenchyma cells. The pits are the seen in sclerenchyma cells only, which provide the support. And vessels and tracheids are the sclerenchymatous cell. Vessels and tracheids also made from the sclerenchymatous cell. The pits are seen in sclerenchyma cells. The pits are seen in the scleren. These are made from the sclerenchyma cell only. The vessels and the tracheids are the sclerenchymatous cells. Already explained, they made from the sclerenchyma cells only. Now one activity is there. Activity 2. If you take the petunia stalk or orchid stalk, when you cut it their stem, put in the glass which contain the red and yellow ink, then you observe what? Inside the vascular become colorful. This show that the xylem absorbs the water, conduct the water. Now we discuss about the 4 cells seen in the phloem. Phloem conduct the food. You already know about this. And made up of the living cells. The 4 type of the cells seen in the phloem is sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, phloem sclerenchyma. See there. This was the companion cells are there from which they get energy. This part is the parenchyma only. And at the end, see there, the sieve tube conduct the food, and the cell wall at the end of the sieve. This is the cell wall at the end. That is called sieve plates. That is called sieve plates. And the companion cell provide energy. Companion cell provide energy, students. Companion cell provide energy for transportation of food from one part to the another, translocation. Phloem parenchyma store the food. Already know the function of the store the parenchyma function is to store the food. And what is the function of phloem saccharine might provide the sport. So this much only. In next lecture, student, we discuss about the animal tissue. Next topic. Yes.